Now there's somebody who's teaching and I don't know all the details, I've just heard about this, but he's teaching, he's giving Meisner teaching certificates online. I don't know how it works, I don't know how the classes work, but basically you can get certified to teach the Meisner technique. This person never studied with Sandy. He studied with teachers of teachers who did. So he's offering teaching certificates, and his legitimacy is that he helped Jimmy Carville write this book. This book that Jimmy wrote, it's Jimmy's story of he and Sandy and their adopted son Bulu. It's their story of their journey and from everything. Okay, so this guy helped him write the book. His name is Scott. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. I don't know who cooked up the idea, but when it finally came with the idea, now the Meisner estate supports this program of teaching certificates. Again, I'm sure Scott's a nice guy. I have heard of his name over the years from the Playhouse because that's where he came from. But in terms of teaching the Meisner, giving teaching certificates online, you can do it. Yeah, and just consider the source. And I'm not saying that it's some horrible thing. I'm just saying that just ask Scott, did you study with Sandy? What are your qualifications to offer teaching certificates? And if you like that answer, then go for it. But I'm just telling, this is the history. And this is how political it gets. You have to understand, not only did Jimmy not care for me because of how close I was with Sandy, but the turning point was when I opened my play on Sandy.